Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing some of the most beautiful and trendy crochet bag design that you have absolutely fall in love with. Each design is handmade with creativity, patience and a lot of love. Perfect for those who adore unique stylish accessories. Crochet bags are not just fashion items, they are a blend of art and personality. Whether you prefer boho, minimal, modern, or colorful play style, there always a crochet bag that fits your mood and outfit perfectly. In this collection, you see bags made with the soft cotton yarn, chunky thread, and stylish texture that give every piece a luxurious and elegant touch. These crochet bags are perfect for daily use, casual outing, picnic, or even beach trip. You can style them with jeans, dresses, or even traditional wear. They go with everything. If you love handmade fashion, these designs will inspire you to create your own bag at home. Just pick your favorite color combination, your yarn, and start crocheting. Stay till the end to see some creative shape and trendy pattern. Crochet is not just a craft, it is a form of self-expression. Every stitch, every color, every pattern tell a little story of patience and love. In today's collection, you see bags that are not just fashionable but also eco-friendly and long-lasting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet inspiration. Comment below which bag design you love the most. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.